Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, March 29th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can build your dream life using passive income. But before I get started, I just wanted to introduce myself. If you've never seen any of my videos, I've been working in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and I am super passionate about helping people generate mailbox money. So with that being said, I'm going to get into the video. And if you find any value, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate that. So, why passive income? Well, I love passive income because it gives me time freedom. All right, so it gives me, I'm able to do what I want, when I want, for as long as I want, and not worry about cash flow. All right, so there's time freedom, there's financial stability. Because after you do this for a while, you can pretty much know what is going to be coming in the mail every month, right? Usually it's more, if you stick with these programs and do what I show you to do, most months are better than the previous month, okay? And again, I can't guarantee you that you're going to make any money with me in any of these opportunities because it's all dependent on your work ethic. I can tell you that the people who join me, they follow what I do, and they stay consistent, they get results, all right? And you can get results too. That's why I do these videos, to show you exactly what it is I do. And then I do payment-proof videos. You can check me out on Facebook and YouTube. I'm always showing, I don't show everything, all the money that I make, but I show you when I get checks in the mail and stuff like that, just to show you that these opportunities are real and they work if you decide to work them, all right? So, you get time freedom, you get financial stability, and it's flexible. I mean, you can literally send out postcards anytime. It doesn't take very much effort. It doesn't take very much time. The key is to stay consistent. All right, so we have the time freedom, financial stability, and it's flexible, right? You can't beat that. You cannot beat having your own schedule, and you cannot beat being able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not worry about cash flow. All right, you want to be able to make money while you sleep. That was what I did my video on yesterday. All right, like Warren Buffett said, if you can't find a way to make money while you're sleeping, you're going to work for the system for the rest of your life. All right, so what I do is I get paid around the clock. All right, so the first thing you want to do in order to build your dream life using passive income is you want to find an opportunity that resonates with you. Okay, now I like direct mail marketing. I like mailing out postcards. I like postcard opportunities because in all the years that I've been doing this, postcard opportunities are by far the easiest way to make money online. All right, you don't have to do anything other than mail out postcards. Okay, or letters. I mail out letters, but I include the postcards in the letter, okay? So you want to find a product or service in a niche that you are passionate about, and you want to resonate with that product or service. You want to be able to stand behind it and become a product of the product. All right, so for my 2 postcard opportunities that I do, I use the postcards. I mean, I run the business. I'm not just trying to sell you on my postcard opportunities. I actually use the postcard opportunities to make money. All right. A lot of people, they just want to sell you a product and they don't even use the product or service. All right. I stand behind these opportunities that I'm in 1,000%. Okay. So once you have an opportunity in place, you want to automate the opportunity using systems. All right, so all the opportunities that I'm a part of, particularly the 2 direct mail postcard opportunities, I have systems in place that do all the selling and telling for me. All right, so when somebody goes and visits my website and they click on one of my opportunities, there's a system set up in place that when the person requests more information, the system is going to take them over to a sales page where they can get more information about the opportunity. And then the system is going to follow up via email, text messages, or phone calls, depending on what program. But the system will follow up on my behalf And that is what you want. You want a system in place that does everything for you, so that your only job, your only focus that you have to think about is sending people over to your capture pages, okay? And that is what I show you exactly how I do. So if you go to joinruss.com, let me grab one of my business cards here, joinruss.com, that's gonna take you over to all of my opportunities, okay? And whenever you click on whatever opportunity you click on, it's going to have a system in place. And you can check it out for yourself, all right? I show you how to set all this up so that your only job is to drive traffic over to your pages, okay? And let the system do all the work for you. Now, after you do that, you want to send traffic over to your pages, okay? And I use Facebook and YouTube for online marketing just because they're the second and third most visited sites in the world after Google. There's tons of free traffic, all right? And then I do direct mail. So I mail out letters that include my postcard opportunities and my business card, which when you join me, you're gonna get my letter template. You're gonna get 80 different places online that you can share these opportunities. You're going to get my contact information so you can reach out to me whenever you have questions or need any help. And I'm going to show you exactly how I set this up and exactly what I do in order to have success that I have, the success that I have, okay? And I can tell you that since I've added direct mail marketing to my marketing methods, I've tripled my income, all right? Because what we're doing here, the 2 direct mail opportunities, it doesn't matter what, if you're in affiliate marketing, if you're in, selling subscription-based memberships, if you're in, selling digital products, whatever it is, the direct mail opportunities that I'm a part of, the product that you get when you join are leads, okay? And these are opportunity-seeking leads. So these are people who are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income. So what I do is I take the leads and I mail out my letters with my postcards in them, okay? And I just get super high conversion rates, all right? It just really works if you work it. So then what you want to do is after you start making sales, you want to take some of your commissions and put them back into your business so you can scale up your business, all right? So what I mean by that is if you can only mail out 100 postcards a month, that's a good start, but you want to get up to where you're mailing out, 1,000 plus postcards a month. So you want to take some commissions, put it back into your business, and now you want to double that 100 to where you're mailing out 200 postcards a month. All right, and then when you make some commissions, take some of that money, double it up to 400 postcards a month, and just keep going and going and going. There are people in this industry who make 6 and 7 figures a year just mailing out postcards. Okay, and what they do is that's exactly what they do. They'll take some of their commissions, put it away for whatever they want, and then they'll take the other part of their commissions and they'll put it back into their business so they can scale it up. It's super, postcards are super scalable. The method that I use, how I market this is very duplicatable. You don't have to be a marketing genius or, have a huge, you don't even have to have an email list. All right. You don't even have to have social media if you don't want to use social media. You can simply just mail out postcards and have this work. Okay. The key is you have to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. All right. And most people don't do that. So if this is something that you're ready to start, or you can, obviously you can reach out to me with any questions, but if you're ready to start building your dream life using passive income, go to joinruss.com. All right. You're going to see the top 2 opportunities. It'll say direct mail opportunities. Check those out. Join them. Let me know when you join, and I'm going to send you my welcome email, and I can help you get started. All right. It's super easy. It doesn't get any easier than mailing out postcards, folks. I've been doing this a long time. All right. I'm telling you right now, saving you a lot of time and headaches in the future. Mailing postcards and direct mail are very, very, very lucrative if you decide to take action and put in the work. Okay. In fact, just to give you a little example, email marketing has a 1 to 2% conversion rate. Postcard marketing or direct mail marketing has a 4 to 9% conversion rate. All right, especially the way that I do it when I mail out a personalized letter. All right. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. Go to joinruss.com, check out my different opportunities there, and that's it for this video. So I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.